Hey boys and girls, welcome to your math lesson today. It is Tuesday, December 1st, and we're glad to have you join me. Today we're going to talk about least to greatest. We're going to order sets from least to greatest, okay? So least means the smallest amount, and the greatest is your largest amount. So the first thing we're going to do is count each set, okay? And I'm hoping you can see all three sets on here. All right, so let's start with our Christmas trees. Let's count how many we have. Let me fix this for a second. All right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Did you count 5? Good. All right, let's count how many mittens we see. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so we've counted 4 mittens. And I've added some snowflakes since the last time we joined each other. Let's count how many snowflakes we see. 1, 2, 3. So I'm going to put the number 3 there. All right, so when it says put things in order from the least to the greatest, that means we're going to stack them or put them in order from the smallest number to the largest number. So we have numbers 5, 4, and 3. Which one is the smallest? The 3, right? So the snowflakes are going to go first, right? What number would come next? 4, that's right. 4 would come next. So we know the 4 mittens are going to come next. And which one is our greatest set? The Christmas trees, because 5 was the most. It was the greatest number, right? So they're going to be our last greatest set, okay? So we're going to start with a 3, and we're going to put up 3 snowflakes. Then you guys told me it was 4 mittens was next. And then you guys said that there were 5 Christmas trees, 5 trees. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we've gone in order from the least, comes first, the least to the greatest, and your greatest number would come last. Okay? All right, I'm just going to pause you for a second, and I'm going to change the screen. Okay, welcome back. So now we're going to count these again, and we're going to still order them from least to greatest. But first, let's put a number with each set. So first, let's count our snowflakes. Remember, touch and count helps us not to skip over somebody, okay? So touch and count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we have 4. Okay, let's count how many trees we have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 trees. All right, let me find my 8. Got my 8 here. I'm going to stick it right here. 8. And how many mittens do I have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right, so we have the numbers 4, 8, and 6. Now I'm going to ask you to help me put them in order from least to greatest, from least to greatest. So which number is the smallest or the least amount? Which one has the least amount? The snowflakes. Good job, the snowflakes. So I'm going to leave them there, okay? Now, which one comes next? The 8 trees or the 6 mittens? The 6 mittens, right? So I'm just going to try to squeeze them right here. I'm going to put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and I put that there. So we know that this is probably right. We have the least, and we could start them over here so you can see them a little better. All right, so I have 4 snowflakes, 6 mittens, 8 trees. My numbers go in order from the smallest to the largest with these sets. All right, today on your worksheet, you're going to do the same thing. You're going to count the objects that you see, and then you're going to drag them and put them in order from least to greatest. Thanks, guys. I'll see you tomorrow. We'll do the greatest to the least. Good job today.